If you guys have an 11 to 16 Ford Super Duty and you wanted to upgrade your fog lights, there's a lot of bulbs out there that I would totally steer you away from. I would not recommend. GTR Lighting's new Ultra 3 bulb, I highly would recommend. It's extremely bright. In this video, I want to show you what it looks like installed. I'm going to show you how it compares to your 9005 halogen bulb. So follow me, let's get rolling. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. By now, you probably have a lot of rock chips and maybe even some oxidation on your fog light housing, but still it's important to just put a good bulb in there. If you don't want to replace your entire housing, putting a new bulb in there is a good suggestion. This is a reflector-based housing and it projects the light pretty well. It does a good job with your fog lights, but it's not bright at all. That dingy yellowish looking halogen bulb is not what we want. So we're gonna upgrade it. We're gonna back this truck up away from the wall a little bit. We're gonna measure the brightest point on the wall with the digital lux meter. Then we're going to take the Ultra 2 bulb, the bulb that GTR Lighting came out with years ago, and then we're gonna install the Ultra 3 bulb. I wanna show you how they all compare to the benchmark here. This is what your stock fog lights look like, and right off the bat, you're gonna notice it's a pretty consistent beam pattern. It's not scattering it all over the place. However, you got that dingy looking yellow color. This is not what you want. I only measured 95.6 maximum lux, so not even 100 maximum lux on the fog lights of this stock housing. The Ultra 2, the bulb that came out years ago, I measured 706 maximum lux. It was 638% brighter. Now, GTR Lighting years ago came out with the yellow bulb. Oftentimes, you're gonna notice that the yellow bulb is less bright than the white bulb, and that's just normal across the board. I measured 606 maximum lux with the Ultra 2 in yellow, which was still 533% brighter than your stock fogs. This is what the white version looks like from the Ultra 3. It is 1,312 maximum lux, so 1,272% brighter. In yellow, it didn't actually lose that much brightness. I measured 1,071 maximum lux, which was 1,020% brighter. No matter if you go the Ultra 2 or the Ultra 3, to be 1,000% brighter is wild. Either one of these is gonna be a good option for your Super Duty. It's pretty amazing to see that much light output by simply changing out one bulb. This is going to dramatically increase your driving experience for the good. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it now. It's super easy. If you don't need help, check the link in the description below so you can see pricing, availability, and get yours today. Go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see all of the other products that we've tested for the Super Duty. And I want you guys to see it because I don't want you to waste your money. Now, I'm gonna show you the install. Reach your hand up, turn your original 9005 bulb counterclockwise, pull it away and disconnect your OEM wiring. And then just connect the 9005 Ultra 3 bulb in the exact same way, reach up, clock it in place, and make sure that it's sitting upright like this. So you've installed your bulb, but now you're upset at me because it's scattering light all over the place. The problem probably is that it's not properly seated in the housing. You want this cord to be aimed down, and you do not want it to sit like this. You want the LEDs to be shooting out horizontally. If for some reason it's not properly set from the factory, you are gonna have to take the included Allen wrench here and then locate the screw, and we're just gonna turn the collar a little bit. Screw's right down here. What we're gonna do is reach in. We're gonna loosen it up. You don't have to remove that screw because that's going to loosen this collar up. So that way, whenever you put it inside of your fog light housing, it sits upright just like that. Then tighten down that screw and you're good to go. I just want to thank you guys if you watched our old videos and they convinced you to buy the best bulb on the market at that time, which was the Ultra 2. Is it worth upgrading from the Ultra 2 to the Ultra 3? In my personal opinion, after about 12 years at Headlight Revolution, yes. This is the brightest bulb I've ever tested. We had tons of people in the comments post the most modern and best bulb that they thought. I bought them all, I tested it. This is like 20 or 30% brighter than every single bulb on the market. With a lifetime warranty, it's a no-brainer. Go to headlightrevolution.com right now, type in your year, make, and model, and we'll show you guys everything that's truly been tested as far as lighting goes on your Super Duty.